Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Gen Info 190. I hope you will be fine. This time we talk about Khabib Nurmagomedov removed from flight, Daniel Cormier, Hezbollah and fans react. The MMA world reacts as Khabib faces due treatment from flight staff leading to a widespread boycott of the airline. Khabib Nurmagomedov was removed from a Frontier airline flight en route from Las Vegas to San Francisco where he was set to spot his teammates at UFC 311. The former UFC lightweight champion who was seated in the emergency exit row faced a tense confrontation with the airline staff despite being cleared for the seat at check-in. The issue began when the flight crew raised concerns about Khabib's ability to assist in an emergency despite his clear willingness and capability. As the situation escalated, a member of the airline staff whom Khabib described as very rude from the very beginning insisted that he move from his seat. Khabib, who speaks fluent English, refused to change his seat, stating he could handle the responsibilities of the emergency, etc. However, the interaction grew more heated, eventually leading to Khabib being escorted off the plane. Khabib later took to social media to explain this incident, expressing his confusion over the airline's behavior. He wrote, "Lady who comes to me with questions was very rude from the very beginning, even though I speak very decent English and can understand everything and agree to assist. She will insist on removing me from my seat." He continued, "What was the base for that vehicle, national or other one? I am not sure, but after 2 minutes of conversation, she called security and I was deplaned from this aircraft. After 1 to 5 hours, I boarded another airline one and left to my destination. I did my best to stay calm and respectful as you can see on the video. But those crew members could do better next time and just be nice with clients." The incident quickly garnered widespread attention, sparking outrage across the MMA community. Daniel Cormier, Khabib's close friend and fellow UFC legend, voiced his disapproval in a comment on social media, stating, "That's really bad." The backlash continued as figures like Michael Challenger and Bilal Muhammad expressed disbelief at how the situation was handled. Khabib's coach Javier Mendes also weighed in, defending his fighter ability and conduct. He remarked he just walked out and did not say anything, did not complain and just walked out. He did not say anything to me even after the incident. Mendes added he deserved an apology from whatever airline he was ejected from. The man speaks English well and there is not a more capable person on that plane to help others in an emergency situation than the man that was sitting in that exit row seat. The controversy also sparked a strong reaction from Hezbollah, the internet sensation, who simply posted a two-word response echoing the frustration of many fans. Other fighters, including John McCarthy, criticized the airline's action, with McCarthy calling it bizarre and urging the airline to apologize. He said, "Can you imagine? An emergency happens on your plane and you would prefer a perfect speaking human instead of one of the greatest athletes of all time because you're uncomfortable with his ability to speak English, which is very good, BTW." Not only was he the most physically capable human being on the plane, but I am pretty sure the only qualification to sitting in the exit row is being able to say the word yes. The incident has triggered widespread calls for a boycott of Frontier Airlines, with many in the MMA community vowing to never fly with the airline again. The situation has also sparked a broader conversation about the treatment of high-profile individuals and the potential for racial or national bias. Despite the incident, Khabib managed to board another flight and reached his destination to spot his teammates at UFC 311. I hope you will enjoy this news. Have a nice time. Goodbye.